Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. The first one what I can recommend it to do is to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music or Spotify or in your browser. Just remove it from your cache and open it again. Now check. Maybe it fixes your problem. Also, I recommend it to check if you have the last version of this application, so go to the App Store or Play Market and check it, and update if you haven't. If it didn't help you, next one we should check if you have the last software version on your earbuds. So open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have, this one. Now, go to click at the three lines at the left top, and right here we have upgrade firmware. Tap on it, and it checked for updates, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, at the bottom you will see download. You just tap on it, and it will install update for you. If it also didn't help you or you haven't the last software version, the next one what I recommended to do is to restart your device. So I use it with my phone, I should restart my phone. And then check if it also didn't help you. The last one what we should do is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the case. Open this lid. You need to press and hold this connection button on the front side of the charging case until this LED light flashed white 2 times. Firstly it entered operating mode, and right here I have it. And then we keep holding it. 1, 2. Now we can release the finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and right here click the information icon near to your earbuds at the device list. Then forget the device and forget device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.